Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Save Images to Device on Discord. If you want to save memes, screenshots, or shared media from chats to your mobile device, then here is how to do it. First of all, open up the Discord application on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the U button. This will open up your profile section where you'll need to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will now open up the settings menu. From the settings menu, scroll down and look for the chat button and tap on it. Inside chat, under camera uploads, toggle on the button right next to save to device. Saving images gives you quick offline access, but make sure to only download contents you trust and keep your stories clean to avoid lag. And that's how you enable the Save Images to Device feature on Discord application using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.